quickly. So I'm going to go into Hillary's seminar class, and over here where it says the team name, there are three dots. If you click the three dots, you'll get a gear that says Manage Team. The first thing you'll see here is members. You'll see some members that are owners, and then all of your kids should be down here under members. Again, if some of your kids are left off from the Synergy sync, don't worry about that. The most important thing is that we add some folks to your owners so that these people can add kids when we get phone calls from parents and change schedules without having to wait 24 hours. So what I need you to do is hit Add Member, and we're going to add DJ to this one. So we're going to add DJ as a teacher. So we're going to add all these folks as teachers. So if I search for Reed, DJ pops up, and I'm just going to hit Add, and then I'm going to add Chris Lee, who is Chris L, and she's in there. And I'm going to hit Close. And now I have 5 people plus one other that Hillary will add, who is her accountability partner for this class. And then you'll have 6 adults who can add students to your role if needed. And that should speed up the process and keep kids and parents from having to wait overnight. Thanks.